Want a flower that's tough, beautiful, and pollinator approved? Meet the coneflower, your garden's secret superstar. Welcome to TN Nursery, where America's gardens come alive. From trees to wildflowers, perennials to shade plants, we bring nature's best straight to your screen. Today's blog, Coneflowers, Beauty and Pollinator Power in One. Discover why this hardy bloom is a true garden favorite. Coneflowers bloom with long-lasting color from summer to fall. Their cone-shaped centers attract bees and butterflies. They are drought-tolerant and thrive with little water. These plants are low maintenance. Just plant and enjoy. Coneflowers enhance biodiversity by supporting pollinators and birds. They are hardy perennials that return year after year. Their seed heads remain attractive even in winter. They are perfect for beautiful cut flower arrangements. Coneflowers are versatile, fitting into borders, beds, or wild gardens. They have a rich medicinal history and herbal remedies. Our Grow Like a Pro tip for today. Plant coneflowers in full sun with well-drained soil. This simple step ensures stronger roots, more blooms, and years of low-maintenance beauty in your garden. Want coneflowers blooming in your garden? Don't wait. Bring home the beauty and pollinator power today. Click the link in the description below and make coneflowers yours now. Let us know which plant from TN Nursery you'd love to learn more about. We just might feature it in our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep planting beauty with us. Thanks for watching.